You know I come from a city of sorrow, man. Ugly introduction, red snow, heartache.
Ricothewaver, man, we finna get ready to end this 15-week wolf. When I caught out Bucci 360 way back last year, November, like 22nd, we've been whipping for, feel like a year, but it's really been only 15 weeks. So I'm really about to get ready to end this wolf. We working the phones. Y'all know we're on progress. Y'all know I progress a lot. It's been a really long journey. I don't know where Bucci 360 at. He not here yet. We gotta get him here, man. He late to the wolf. Like, how you gonna be late to the damn wolf cut, bro? Come on now. Make sure y'all always tell y'all barber what you gonna get. Don't get in the chair and be scared to talk to the barber. Make sure y'all always talk to your barber. I'm gonna get a 2 with the green.
He's still with the he's baby, these little young niggas,
And then we gotta comb it out first. So make sure y'all always comb it out.
with the grain.
Y'all still wearing
With the grain.
Y'all better start wearing the do-rags like that. Some people go hard like that.
That's the new thing. I can see it.
And then this part right here around the crown, we leave it like a little thicker. It's like thin right there.
Pay your insurance on time. Dial one little bumper and upgrade your rates. What good is having insurance?
This camera dumb clear once you start focusing it. Yeah.
You know what to do if they stay in, and now it's a matter of executing that. So I think you're going to see that in terms of him trying to raise money in the defense fund. You're going to see that if they put a
Raising big meat in handcuffs is not a good thing.
Looking out, Jermaine. Looking out.
What happens down the line is there going to be a larger, bigger conspiracy connection that's about to come. And honestly, we just don't know. But we also know
They can't touch him now. They ain't gonna be able to touch him. They ain't gonna be able to touch him yet. No, they hide another shit.
Sometimes you need a second hit.
They destroyed. They fucking over other countries right now.
I say China ain't gonna say nothing to it because they can't do nothing with our military. They can't do nothing with our air base, with our naval base. They can do something with our army, but that's it. In the water. Like I said, like who goes? Nobody really wants it. That's what it is. Nobody really says. Because you everything.
Russia got a missile that we ain't even got right now.
But Russia and
They go twice, they go 3 times faster than sound.
He said he admires that dude. gave them more than to take from that. It made it seem like they're shot. It made it seem like they're shot. Let me tell you what the government made. Let me tell you what the government made.
It takes a lot.
Nobody was doing this. So mad at here's a man who's leading the free world, doing the same thing.
That was the 15-week woof. Today is January 28th, and we ended the woof, man. 15 weeks strong. I challenged my Wade brother, man, at Butcher 360. Make sure I go subscribe to his channel, man. Link down in the bio. Make sure y'all subscribe. It's been a long, long journey, man. 15 weeks strong. I had my ups and downs. At the end of the day, I picked that brush back up and I got back motivated, man. So y'all can tune into that video on how to get motivated. Link down in the bio. Man. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Me and boy Rico the Waver. I'm gonna show y'all my waves one last time. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Shoot for 100 likes, man. Comment your opinion on our woof. Let me know how y'all felt, how our woof went. And yeah, man, you know, let me know. Share with your friends. Share with everybody. Rico gang, man. We out.